Hey there. Plastic pollution is something I actually chose a topic very similar to it. And I talked a lot about plastic pollution, the plastic waste, and the effect that plastic has on the environment. And I completely agree. The best way to counteract everything that the world is doing to try to amp up on the plastic production, reduce, reuse, recycle, and target the younger generations. I do feel like it's going to affect them mostly, and we're here to save the world. And if that means, spreading awareness, doing everything that we can to lower our impact, that's exactly what I think we gotta do. Plastic pollution is a huge problem that we are all facing, and I don't think enough people really do realize that. And talking about it, spreading awareness, doing everything that we are doing is a huge part of turning this around and fighting for a better world. Plastic is not the way to go, and I 100% agree. I wish we lived in a perfect world and plastic was non existent. It is doing so much more harm than good.